The city hall is not a public building?
No, sir, not a public building.
I don't care about your free speech. You gotta leave the building now.
What for?
Now.
And get your fucking hands off me, guy. What are you doing?
Escorting you out.
No, you're...
Welcome back. Today's video we are covering Gem City News' visit to the Columbus, Ohio City Hall, where he is kicked out for using free speech. Go over to his channel and show him the support he deserves. Let's get into the video.
Hello, sir.
Hi, you closed for the day?
No, we're closing in about an hour.
Okay.
How can I help you?
I need to talk to somebody from the mayor's office.
All right, so you can't just go up there and talk to someone, but what you can do is fill out a sheet. It's right there. You go up there, you fill out one of those sheets, and I'll send it to his assistant, and he'll set an appointment for you to meet with the mayor.
And how long does this usually take?
It all depends, but they will get back to you.
30 minutes, an hour?
No,
I don't live in Columbus, so...
It'll be a couple days. It won't.
No, I gotta get up there today.
He can't meet with anybody without an appointment.
Huh?
He doesn't meet with anybody without an appointment.
Or anybody in his office?
Nope. No, sir.
Okay. Well, I wonder what I do then. And so the city clerk is on the second floor?
Yes.
When's the next council meeting?
Next Monday,
Can you tell me that? Do you know what time?
5:30.
In the evening? So what if I wanted to do public records?
Public records.
That's the city clerk, right?
Schedule.
Schedule an appointment, right?
Schedule.
Schedule an appointment. Okay, well, I don't like the way any of that sounds. So how about if I just go through and document the building?
You can't do that. It's not public.
Why is that?
It's not a public building.
The city hall is not a public building?
No, sir, not a public building.
So who funds it?
Taxpayers.
The ignorance on display by public employees never ceases to amaze. City halls are inherently public buildings. The public must enter city halls to perform business with the government. Therefore, Gem City does have a right to go to the city clerk and do business. This employee is either lying, stupid, or both.
I'm gonna make this real clear one time. I turned in public records request over here at 120 Marconi Street. They took my money. They refused to give me the public records request. This has been going on for over 3 months. I come here, you tell me it's not a public building, but it's funded by the taxpayers.
White House is funded by the taxpayers.
Oh my God, with this nonsense. There's nobody up there that can come down here and see me.
You can fill out that slip there, come down, you can set an appointment.
Let's get this straight. You're barring me from entering this building.
You can't come in here. You can't walk around here.
This city employee is behaving very unprofessionally and possibly violating Ohio's laws with regards to government transparency. I could tell you guys about these laws, but Ohio Attorney General Dave Yost says it best.
Hi, I'm Ohio Attorney General Dave Yost. You know, you can't have government of the people, by the people, and for the people if people don't know what their government is doing. And that's why we need transparency in government. Transparency builds trust. We in government need to build trust with the people we serve. Trust building starts with openness in public decision making and openness in the records that document the work of public bodies. Ohio's sunshine laws are among the most comprehensive open government laws in the country.
Mr. Yost will either have to straighten these employees out or forgive us for not believing him. How can Ohio have some of the strictest laws with regards to transparency when the public can't even get into public buildings to request those records? You're
supposed to help me.
You can fill that form out.
No, I'm not filling it out and giving anybody my name. What? I tried that already. It didn't work out. And they took my money. Thieves. Wow. Is that what's going on here? They just steal. Isn't that something? How do you feel about being part of that?
I don't feel like we're stealing, sir.
No, listen to what I said. I turned in a public records request. I paid for it. They refused to give it to me. That's stealing. Okay? Now I'm come over here where I was directed to go to take it up with the higher ups, and you're telling me I can't get in.
We have to get you out of the video.
I want to give you half a chance. You seem like a decent young man, but I can't, you know. Then again, you're part of this, so.
On top of obviously lacking the transparency the Attorney General was talking about, the people representing the city of Columbus here were never taught to keep their hands to themselves as children. The result is very large, dangerous children.
Hey, FatMan, have you been a police officer a long time?
You can't go back past this point. sir.
Get back behind the counter and do not address them in that manner.
Why not? I'm not on the other side of
Back
this.
behind the, in front of the counter there.
Nah, I think I'm all right.
No, you gotta move back over here.
Back over here, is that good? What's gonna make you feel better? Is that gonna keep your vagina from getting tilted? You piece of
Alright, well, now you can leave the building. You're being.
or what?
Yep.
My free speech is A-okay, buddy.
I don't care about your free speech. You gotta
Okay.
leave the building now.
What for?
Because you're harassing everybody here. You gotta
I'm
leave.
only harassing you.
Yeah, we gotta leave now.
And get your fucking hands off me, guy. What are you doing?
Escorting you out.
No, you're not. I haven't filled out my paper yet. Get your hands off of me. Stop. You punk. You know that's a lawsuit, you piece of shit. I noticed you didn't cross the threshold. You fat tub of guts. What's your name? What's your name? What's your name and badge number?
You're banned from the building. Get out.
I will leave, but I need to know your name and badge number. You're gonna put your hands on me again. Carrier 1108, 1808. You get your ass beat out here, buddy. Oh yeah. If you didn't have a badge and a gun, you'd be smoked laying on your back.
While some people may not have agreed with what Gem City News had to say, it is hard to dispute his right to say it, and his right to perform business in a public building is pretty well set in stone. The Ohio Attorney General even claiming that Ohio, of all places, has some extremely strict laws guaranteeing transparency. You wouldn't know it looking at Columbus, though.
Ohio's sunshine laws are among the most comprehensive open government laws in the country.